Hello, welcome to NN Media. Today, Anupriya Sethi advocate is with us. Hello, hi ma'am.
నమస్తే
నమస్తే అండి. టుడే మనం ఒక లేటెస్ట్గా కొన్ని అడ్వకేట్ని కిల్ చేశారు
అవును
అండ్ డొమెస్టిక్ వైలెన్స్ ఉంది అండ్ లేటెస్ట్గా ఈ కొన్ని ఇష్యూస్ గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఈరోజు. యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ లా డూ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ మ్యామ్?
actually mainly of the areas I practice is family law.
Yeah.
But I also take labor law, consumer laws,
Okay.
and the corporate laws also.
Okay.
But I feel to talk like on family laws. Why divorces are happening in the society.
Okay.
What are the reason?
Okay.
I mainly talk about the family law because it is very vast.
ఓకే
And it is broadly classified into like citizenship acts are there, Hindu succession act is there,
Okay.
This maintenance is there, wills are there, so partition acts are there. So if so these are the main, it is broadly so vast in nature. So that is why I feel family law is the more concern for me to go into the deep into subject for that.
ఓకే ఓకే మ్యామ్. అండ్ వై డైవర్సెస్ ఆర్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ? వాట్స్ ద రీజన్?
See, the reason is main misunderstandings between the husband and wife, elders interference,
Okay.
financial crisis.
Okay.
Main is ego.
Okay.
Ego problems are more
Okay.
between the two parties. Because of that, divorces are happening. And apart from this, the main reason for the divorce is financial crisis.
ఫైనాన్షియల్
Yes,
క్రైసిస్.
the main reason is financial crisis and extramarital affairs.
ఓకే.
So that is why the divorce is the main cause. Little bit of misunderstandings, which we can stop it also by arbitration and conciliation between the two parties.
Okay.
So we can stop that.
ఓకే. వాట్ ఆర్ ద సెక్షన్స్ లైక్ 498 యాక్ట్ ఏ అండ్ డివిసి మ్యామ్?
See, 498A is dowry harassment,
Okay.
which a woman has the power to lodge a complaint to the police station, go to the police station and lodge a complaint for the husband and the in-laws also. If she is really harassed.
Okay.
And domestic violence, there is a thin line between both the sections. Domestic violence is nothing but hitting the wife, talking filthy to the wife.
Okay.
So in that. So mainly the thing is 498A, why a woman does. Because to get the remedy from the court.
Okay.
But nowadays this section is also getting misutilized.
ఓకే ఓకే
Many girls are taking misuse of the section.
ఓకే
They are not actually harassed, but they are threatening the husbands also.
Okay.
That if you husband are good,
ఓకే
husbands are good, they are understanding in nature. But because of our society is becoming more, that मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. So expectations are becoming more.
Yeah.
So they are not maintaining the levels in the family.
Okay,
The
okay.
family values are gone. So that is why the 498A section is misutilizing it.
ఓకే ఓకే. ఆర్ ది సెక్షన్స్ ఆర్ యూటిలైజింగ్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ మ్యామ్?
See, why this section is misutilized, Amendment Act has come in 2019.
ఓకే
This Amendment Act has come because arrest was there before. Whenever a woman goes to the police station, arrest was there. In the
Okay.
morning, these police people used to catch all that family members and jail mein dal dete the. But now the arrest is gone. But there is a clause also, if the police feels
Okay.
that really there was a mental harassment, as per the investigations of the thing, they can arrest the person.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద
Only the husband.
What are the latest Supreme Court orders to protest men from exploitation according to the 498 Act A and domestic violence, ma'am?
See, the Supreme Court have given many guidelines. The arrest has been gone. And they can also go to High Court to squash the FIR copy.
Okay.
If the evidences are there, like evidences now in a house, if any fight is going on, for example, but the evidences to prove in the court how it is.
Okay.
In एक बंद कमरे में क्या हुआ था? We
Okay.
don't know.
We don't know.
Husband wife is fighting, but complaint has been lodged.
Yeah.
But for husband to fight for his own,
Okay,
you know
ma'am.
that he is not guilty. WhatsApp messages of the wife,
Okay.
any call recordings,
Okay.
video recordings, witnesses,
Okay.
anything. The woman will be hitting herself and saying, "Mara hai mujhe."
Okay.
MLC report should be there.
Okay.
So that evidence is so the Supreme Court guidelines is there, audi alteram partem.
Okay.
It is a maxim which says that listen from both the ends.
Okay.
Principles of natural justice.
Okay.
Law sees both. If the law is seeing listening to the woman, now the Supreme Court has given strict guidelines misutilization of 498A, and why it is misutilizing, the man has the full right for the protection for the same.
Okay.
He can show the evidences in the court,
Okay.
and to prove he's not guilty for the concerns.
Okay. Nowadays, these issues are going. We are seeing around us. What the before question I asked, na ma'am. Without a proper evidences, police department is filing on that men. Why?
Yeah, this is very wrong actually. The police is the main cause also, the police is not understanding. They are doing the counseling, free counseling. Sometimes they are not doing the counseling also.
Okay, ma'am.
They are lodging the FIR.
Okay.
And it has become the burden on the courts. So many cases are coming and the court time is getting wasted.
Okay.
And pressure is there.
Okay.
The husband is getting pissed off. The lady, I'm not saying lady is wrong or husband is wrong or right. Only the thing is the police should investigate properly.
Yeah.
Investigation is not doing it.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's what I am asking, ma'am. The police department is not inquiring properly, and simply they are filing a case on men.
Yes. They are simply filing the case on men. They are not getting the properly.
Okay.
So that is why if any man feels that somewhere is going wrong in the investigation, why sometimes the girls will keep some family members' name also who are not in India only.
Okay.
They are residing in US.
Okay.
They never came into the matrimonial life also.
Yeah.
But then also they are writing in the FIR their names.
Yeah.
But there also, that is why the men have the complete rights to go to the High Court to squash for this.
Is there any punishment for that, ma'am?
Yes, if the section is misutilized, in the end, if the girl is proved guilty,
Yeah.
she will be punished. She has to pay the compensation to the husband.
Okay. Okay.
Because of the mental stress, depression, pain, waste of court time,
Okay.
and all that.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, what's your practicing philosophy?
See, practicing philosophy, I see that a person whenever comes to my office sitting in very stress and strain, if he is coming with a divorce case,
Okay.
or if he is coming with the labor law cases also, he is feeling some salary nahi diya.
Okay.
And consumer code, if he is messed up with some consumer items, messed up state. If I speak in the divorce cases,
Okay.
any person, lady or gents, their mental state is extremely terrible.
Okay.
They'll go into extremely depression levels which we cannot see it also. So I also help them into mediation, conciliation, and talk to them, give them time, and tell them that if you be in this world only in depression, then your future will get spoiled. So this is the main thing I do practice for my complete dedication and for the society cause.
Okay. Still now, how much geographical area do you cover this practice, ma'am?
Mainly I have covered the Telangana geographical area.
Yeah.
I'm a practicing advocate,
Okay.
mainly in the district courts only.
Okay.
Like more in LB Nagar Rangareddy courts. My also cases are in different courts like Kukatpalli court, this Sikandrabad court. Many courts are there, it's going on.
Okay. What is the role of TS government under leadership of Honorable KCR, ma'am?
Our Chief Justice Honorable KCR, I just want to say I'm very thankful for him that he has introduced many schemes under that.
Yeah.
Kids scheme he has introduced for the pregnant woman. She can have the kids at the time of pregnancy, whatever the things she's requiring for the born of a baby. And the second thing, Kalyana Lakshmi scheme is there.
Okay.
Kalyana Lakshmi scheme, girl can have money for that.
Okay.
For the marriage and all.
Okay.
And next is also if any woman is abandoned by the husband,
Yeah.
so that scheme is also introduced by KCR.
Okay.
She teams are there to stop the crimes.
Yeah.
So like this, many schemes are there. He has also opened many schools and colleges also for the girls and boys, also for the girls, sorry,
Okay, ma'am.
to bring up for the women empowerment.
Okay.
Now, if you see in Telangana, also in metro rails, girls
Okay.
are running the trains. In buses, also conductors are women, judges are women.
Yeah.
Everywhere there is a woman now.
Okay.
So he is more concentrating of women empowerment. I'm
Okay.
very thankful to our honorable chief minister.
Yeah. And what is the effect of this divorce on minor children, ma'am?
Minor children is getting more affected, sir.
Why?
The psychology, see, if a husband and wife there is a problem
Yeah.
in the marriage,
Yeah.
the minor children is getting more affected because their upbringing is getting affected.
Hmm.
Their confidence level is coming down.
Yeah.
They are shattered in the complete room.
Okay.
And they are divided between the two persons.
Okay.
Whether his life is with the husband, with the father or with the mother.
Hmm.
So they are not understanding what their child is going through.
Okay. Okay.
So they should also think
Okay.
properly
Hmm.
and also see that the children is getting affected.
Hmm.
If there is 1% chance to cohabit and stay together,
Okay.
I feel for the children they should.
Hmm.
So that is why judicial separation laws are also come.
Hmm.
Means divorce will not happen. Means there is I don't say there is a stop on divorce.
Okay.
Little bit the time will be extended.
Okay. Okay.
If the husband and wife is fighting,
Okay.
if they can see that some chances are there
Okay.
to stop the divorce,
Okay, ma'am.
judicial separation they can opt for it
Okay.
for the children and see if they can cohabit again.
Okay. Okay. Long-term effect of representation on this society large. How can we?
See, as per our India, the divorce rate is 1%.
Yeah.
Because reasons why
Okay.
panchayat system is there.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Hmm.
In panchayat system, people will sit around and they used to arbitrate the husband and wife.
Okay.
Elders will play a big role in that.
Okay,
They want to stop the divorces.
Okay.
Even our courts also.
Okay.
They will also say the counseling when the divorce petition is filed.
Yeah.
The counseling has been done in Lok Adalat.
Hmm.
In that, if the judge feels there is a chances to stop the divorce,
Okay.
they can do it. So this is the reason
Yeah.
I say that society is getting affected.
Yeah.
And yes, why more it is getting affected if divorces are more.
Hmm.
So westernization we are taking it.
Yeah. Okay.
Indianization we are leaving the cultures. The main values what we have taken in the Indian culture values.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone will become westernized then.
Yeah.
Western people are using Indian values,
Okay.
but here it is getting reciprocal.
Yeah.
That our Indians are taking Western values.
Yeah.
So that is why our society is getting affected.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, recently one incident happened at Mantini about Vaman Rao couples. What's your opinion on that, ma'am?
It's really very sad to know both the husband and wife has brutally they have killed on the roads.
Yeah.
And the person was bleeding on the road and nobody was want to call for an ambulance also.
Okay.
It is really terrific for to see as a humanity also has been gone from it.
Yeah.
You know, and our government, I only say that KCR, I only say that he should take an extremely strict step on
Okay.
this to stoppage of such brutally murder. Tomorrow anyone, any advocate wants to fight for any person,
Okay.
for any remedy. So he should be free,
Okay.
to fearless to fight for that.
Okay.
We are citizens of India. We are here from our main ethics are that we have to fight for our clients.
Yeah.
We have to give them the remedy.
Okay.
We are like the doctors only.
Yeah.
Like any patient is in the ICU.
Okay.
So doctors will keep the oxygen for the breathing.
Okay.
And try his best to make him safe. Like we also, advocates are same for our clients also. We will die to give them the remedy.
Okay.
But yes, there should be a stoppage for this also.
Ma'am.
If we are fighting for someone,
Hmm.
then also we should get some protection
Okay.
that we can fight freely.
Okay.
To give them the best remedy for that.
Okay. Still now, why the government and some people are not responding on this issue? Why, ma'am? What is the reason behind actually?
I can't comment on this because I don't know. It will come for the future time only. Will come to know why the government is keeping quiet. Maybe some
Okay.
intelligent department may be working on it.
Okay.
Maybe the government is neglecting on it.
Okay.
So that is a 50-50. I can't comment on that. But
Okay.
yes, I can only say that it should take a strict step
Okay.
to go ahead to take a, this kind of incident should not happen
Okay.
to anybody.
Recently in Disha Act also, after Disha Act also, these incidents are happening in the society, ma'am. One in this issue, lady has been killed on
Yes.
on the road, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
It's sad to hear. And
Yes.
what's your opinion on that, ma'am?
Really, it is a gang rape. It was done on a Vegetarian doctor, Disha.
Ah.
It was really in 2019, if I'm not wrong, this act has
Yeah.
happened. But the police people have played a very great role.
Yeah.
They have encountered the foreman. But here I should say one point.
Yeah.
They should also check
Mm.
whether these 4 people were same or not. They should also take the judicial help also.
Okay.
They didn't do that.
Yeah.
Why then constitution we have made?
Uh,
Why we are working
okay.
in the whole wheel? Yes, they have did a best, I feel.
Okay.
Because of this, the fear is there now. Today, any girl is feeling safe for this.
Yeah.
Example for them. But tomorrow, if any police person is killing any in the encounter, he should take the help of the judiciary also.
Okay, and one more thing, ma'am. Actually, why if the government won't respond on this issue in further, how your judicial department will be reacting on this issue?
It will be reacting very strictly, sir. I feel that. I'm very hopeful that Bar Association has taken many hard steps and requesting our government also
Yeah.
to talk on this strictly and work on it strictly.
Yeah.
They will not keep quiet.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
And one more thing, ma'am. Actually, in this issue, what's your suggestion in this latest issue, Vaman Rao couples? What's your suggestion to the government and your judicial department, ma'am?
My suggestion is only that judicial department, see, judiciary is doing his own work.
Yeah.
Judges are doing their own work. We advocates are doing our own work.
Okay.
Judges are giving the judgments. We are fighting for our client to get the good correct judgment on the correct thing.
Yeah.
But in this case, if judiciary, if they will find the culprits,
Yeah.
with death penalty.
Okay. Is there any updates about on this issue, ma'am?
No.
Today?
No.
Still up to now?
No. We'll come to know in the future. That's what. There is no comments. I don't want to comment on this.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine, ma'am. And even though in marriages, diversion, why after completion of the diversion, why men has to compensate in a financial way to women, ma'am?
See, as I said, misutilization of section 498A.
Yeah.
Now the woman, she sees very cleverly, women are also now, they are very clever.
Yeah.
I don't say all 100 women are clever,
Yeah.
more clever or criminal minded.
Yeah.
See, there is a mens rea.
Yeah.
Mens rea and judiciary means 4 stages of crime.
Yeah.
Main thing is intention. Any intention, then is preparation.
Okay.
Then is attempt, then is accomplishment.
Mm.
If the woman knows that मुझे इंटेंशन आया ये लड़का अकेला रहता है, माँ बाप नहीं है, या माँ बाप है बुढ़े हैं, they are old people and is earning very nicely, so that girl is not correct.
Yeah.
She will be having intention to get married. Attempt, she has done the attempt.
Okay.
And accomplishment means blackmailing the person, the husband. If you'll not give me this much alimony,
Yeah.
then I'll put false criminal cases on you. Domestic violence cases, 498A cases,
Yeah.
maintenance cases. So that is the thing, sir. That is why the men should also be aware. He should not get scared.
Yeah, ma'am.
Immediately, nothing will happen to
Ma'am.
men. Yes, that is why the Amendment Act has come.
Ma'am.
Arrest is not there.
Okay, ma'am.
He will get the station bail. But if he is really guilty and if the evidences are very strong, then only the husband will get arrested.
Okay, ma'am. What are the if any woman put any false allegation on man, according to judicially, what's your according to the law, what is the punishment given by law department, ma'am?
The punishment will be jail imprisonment of, it depends on the discretion of the judge only.
Okay.
If it is found guilty, yes, compensation should be given to the husband
Okay.
and to the family. also. So this only can the judiciary help them. But time tenure will take a long time to prove this.
Yeah.
So that is why one thing is there in our judiciary.
Yeah.
Justice denied.
Yeah.
So that is why adjournments of advocates also plays the main role in this.
Yeah.
They take dates.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next date, next date, next date.
Mm.
So this should also be stopped, you know.
Ma'am, one more thing. In some cases we are seeing women, if any woman put a false allegation on men, after registration of the FIR, this police department is manhandling men
Yes.
without proper orders. Why, if they misuse that order,
Yes.
if what are the punishments by the judiciary department, ma'am?
See, this is a very strong question you have asked me. The police department role here plays the main thing, you know. First step is the police department comes into the picture of 498A, the complaint.
Yeah, ma'am.
First, the girl is writing a complaint. The police department, if she wants, she will not, the police will not lodge an FIR.
Ma'am.
But they are lodging the FIR into numbers
Okay.
without any investigation, without any thinking, proper counseling also they are not doing. The reason is that. So this is very important. One amendment act should come for the police department also, and for this section, that if 50 cases they are coming,
Yeah.
in 50 they should investigate properly. After investigation properly,
Okay.
they should register the FIR,
Okay.
or else they should not register the FIR.
Okay. If policemen manhandle on that accused person, what are the punishments given by the?
In now amendment has come, they cannot manhandle it.
Yeah, ma'am.
This has gone now.
Okay.
That is why manhandling has gone now.
Still, the manhandling is going on in our daily life. We are seeing in some cases. Although they misuse that, what the punishments given by the court, ma'am, on policeman?
Yes, inside the police station, they will forcefully make them sign also.
Yeah.
If they didn't, they are not guilty of the crime also.
Okay.
So there is private complaint to judge.
Okay.
If that evidence, whatever the charge sheet the police is framing, okay, but the judge will listen to the person only.
Okay.
If he has written in the coercion
Okay.
or signed in pressure,
No.
did the police forced it?
Okay.
So the judiciary will give time to the other person. They
Ma'am.
will not believe the police.
Okay. And ma'am, one more thing. What's your suggestion to the in domestic violence and also this DVC and 498 Section Act
Yeah, see.
to the society?
Society, now in Muslim laws also,
Ma'am.
Muslim law is also a vast subject. Triple talaq has been
Yeah.
passed in
Yeah.
26th July 2019 it was passed.
Ma'am.
Amendment Act has been come on that day.
Yes.
Now this triple talaq is on biddat.
Yeah.
On biddat it has come. Why? Because as per the Shariat Act, any man was misutilizing this
Yeah.
talaq
Okay.
word. So wherever he's sitting, he's pronouncing 3 times.
Okay.
Talaq, talaq, talaq.
Why triple talaq is banned in India, ma'am?
That's why. See, in 2017, I should say,
Okay.
this triple talaq has become unconstitutional.
Okay.
Okay. After that, what happened? The bill was put it in the parliament in 2018, and in 2019 by Chief Justice Mr. J.S. Kehar.
Okay.
He was the presiding Chief Justice in that. In 5 bench of judges, 3 voted. The verdict of voting was more of 3, and
Okay.
2 were less. So they have banned in triple talaq biddat.
Okay.
But there is a point now. This Muslim people says triple talaq is banned. Now how the men will get talaq?
Yeah.
There is a question.
Yes, ma'am.
There has been amendment has come on triple talaq on biddat.
Okay.
But I want to get an awareness on this Muslim laws also.
Okay.
Gents have every right to take talaq.
Okay.
Okay. Why triple talaq was banned? Because they were misutilizing the word talaq. They
ma'am.
were spoiling the girl's life. The man, if he is right and the girl is wrong, in Muslim also, he can take talaq in Supreme Court guidelines. In talaq-e-ehsan, talaq-e-hasan, and Talake this Ilya.
Ma'am. And at last, in domestic violence and in this 498 section A, and finally, any new amendments are going on, ma'am, in latest in the society?
Yeah, see, as per for the future also new amendments we are seeing on this 498A also, because many affairs are getting lost in the
Yeah.
police station.
Mm.
So I think someone should put a public interest litigation on this
Okay.
to stop this. Some amendment should bring on the police people also. Rather, they should investigate fastly.
Yeah.
And one amendment should also to bring on advocates also,
Okay.
if they are taking adjournments in the courts.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is why these cases are getting lagged in the courts,
Ma'am.
in the future.
And thank you, ma'am, for your valuable suggestions to related to divorce and domestic violence and 498 sections. And I'm very much thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.